Hi, everyone, and thank you very much for joining me on this channel, Adults ESL Online Learning. I'm Dr. Hernandez Smith, and in this video, we are going to be doing a life skills reading lesson. This is Lesson F, Another View, Number 1, Life Skills Reading. This looks like a website. The title says Community Center Volunteers Needed. Home, About Us, Contact Us. This is an ad for volunteers that are needed at the community center. This is the organization, Oak Park Community Center. Volunteers needed, 10. Date, open. Time, 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Estimated time, 4 hours per day. Location, 15 Franklin Street, Dallas, Texas, 75231. Description: 1. Volunteers to provide food and drinks to visitors. 2. Volunteers for theater, to greet people, answer questions, assist with seating. 3. Volunteers for arts program, to assist teachers with classes. So volunteers will be doing these activities. Volunteers will be providing these services. Requirements: reliable, teamwork skills, good customer service, prefer 18 years old and over. A. Read the questions. Look at the ad. Fill in the answer. Number 1. How long do volunteers need to work? A. 1 hour a day. B. 4 hours a day. C. 8 hours a day. 4 hours a day. Estimated time, 4 hours a day. Which word under requirements best matches the example of coming to work on time every day? A. Good customer service. B. Teamwork skills. C. Reliable. Or D. None of the above. C. Reliable. Every day. Number 3. What can a volunteer do at this center? A. Greet people. B. Help the art teachers. C. Serve food. D. All of the above. Provide food. Greet people. Assist teachers. All of the above. 4. Which statement is true? A. Volunteers must be artists. B. Volunteers must be experienced cooks. C. Volunteers must be over 21 years old. Or D. Volunteers must be team players. 18. Volunteers must be team players. B. Solve the problem. Give your opinion. Anne is volunteering at a senior center. She enjoys the opportunity to practice her English with the people. She enjoys the opportunity to practice her English with the people, but one senior man stands too close to her and says things that embarrass her. What should she do? She should document her experience and report it. She can also refuse to work with him, and she can also tell him that he needs to stop embarrassing her by telling her those things and also to not stand so close. What do you think she should do? Number 2, grammar connections. Be able to. Use be able to for ability. Be able to equals can. I'm able to drive. Isabel isn't able to drive. A. Work in a small group. Play the game. Write your name on a small piece of paper. Flip a coin to move your paper. Then tell your group about the topic in the square. Use be able to in your answer. Take turns. A. This says a food you are able to make in less than 15 minutes. Okay, I'm able to make cookies in less than 15 minutes. B. My space says something you aren't able to lift. I'm not able to lift my nephew. We have a penny, heads, one space, tails, two spaces. We'll start here. A food you are able to make in less than 15 minutes. Spaghetti. Something you aren't able to lift. A car. Someone you know who isn't able to drive. My son. An animal that isn't able to swim. Turkey. Something you aren't able to do while talking. Swimming underwater. Someone you know who is able to play a musical instrument. My nephew. A sport you aren't able to do well. Soccer. A non-food item you are able to buy at a supermarket. A coffee maker. Something you are able to do with one hand. Brush my hair. A language you are able to speak well. English. Someone you know who isn't able to sing well. Me. A sport you are able to do well. Swim. Something you aren't able to cook. Escargot. Something you are able to do in a swimming pool. Splash. Make a splash. B. Share information about your classmates. Katya is able to make cookies in less than 15 minutes. Carlos isn't able to lift his nephew. Take a look at the screen and make up your own sentences. Well, thank you very much for joining me. I hope this lesson was helpful and gave you some more practice with your reading and also using able to. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.